Hello everyone. Welcome to W3 Grad's Quick Tech Solutions. We are coming back with another most important topic: how can we manage our team remotely? We are going to discuss some useful tips on how to connect with team members and work remotely. Every team leader, project manager, HR, want to know how to manage a team remotely by setting the path of team success. We are going to discuss some useful tips on how to connect with team members and work remotely. Some managers may wonder how you know work is getting done if you can't see people. The only way to see if work is getting done is to look at the work. We encourage people to seek those moments out and not try to simulate what you do in an office in terms of meetings and daily structure. It's funny, most companies outsource lawyers or accountants, which means they work remotely. We trust professionals to get their work done, and that's how we should be treating employees. Trust your employees to get their work done. Encourage transparency. As a manager, be transparent to allow your team to get involved in all aspects of the business. Erase the communication barriers. The simplest definition of a transparent workplace is operating in a way that creates openness between managers and employees. This type of openness between managers and employees creates trust and leads to a successful organization. Transparency is an ongoing process that can have ongoing results. Define goals. Always discuss with your remote workers what to do and not to do, which project or task they can and can't perform remotely. Get the way to manage their work if you are staying far away to them. Be an example in helping your team. Set clear boundaries by asking team members to mark their individual calendars with the times they are available and unavailable. Having team members be clear about virtual meetings, as per a mandatory basis as well. Virtual meeting software also enables easy recording of your webinars, for future reference and sharing with those unable to attend the actual real-time session. Similar goals and different approaches. As a team leader, give some flexibility to perform the team to get their goals, as per expectations. This will help to manage the team smoothly. Now we will discuss some tools which are also help to track every member's availability on board. There are many tools in the market which help companies to track and manage their team remotely with all different features. The tools you choose have a big impact on how much work can be done. If you're expected to be communicating constantly, there are many good tools in market like Slack, Fratello, Dashlane, Password Messenger, Google Drive, Simply, Instagant, Team Leader, and many more tools which perform with useful feature. Allow team members to send their working reports and achievements on a daily basis to their assigned manager. This strategy keeps employees busy in their tasks and has fear to show the whole day working. Regularly assess your team's professional well-being. In this way, the team members feel supported, cared, connected. This gesture makes a team mentally secure and feel positive approach about their company. To manage the team smoothly with better results. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for more interesting videos.